Hi, I'm Liz Rowell, and I'm a Senior Emergency Management Coordinator here at the Chicago Department of Public Health. Today we're going to talk about an emergency supply kit and how you can customize one for you and your family until more help arrives. Now these are just a few essentials to get you started, but you can totally customize this based on you and your family's needs. To start, we have a first aid kit with some Band-Aids, gauze, first aid ointment that's readily accessible and easily grabbable. We also have some menstrual products. We have a multi-purpose tool, some duct tape, some rope, as well as some KN95 masks. You can also throw in some surgical masks. We have some utility gloves, but you can also throw in some winter gloves, a scarf, and a hat. We have an emergency crank radio that will be providing you with all of the emergency alerts to keep you aware of what is going on in the situation at hand. We have some facial tissues, as well as a poncho and an emergency blanket to keep you dry and warm. Now this is just a typical emergency blanket, so if you have a bag big enough, you can throw in a warm and fuzzy blanket. And these kits are totally customizable, and we still have a lot of room in here. We also want to make sure that you include some cash or some traveler's checks in the event that ATMs and banks are closed, as well as including copies or originals of your vital documents. Now that can include your birth certificates, your bank statements, any other documents that you find to be important. Now this bag also has a personal hygiene section, so it's gonna have a toothbrush, some toothpaste, some body wash, some shampoo, as well as a razor in the event you have to evacuate your home and you wanna have stuff to take a quick shower. This bag also has a lot of pockets. It's also small enough to grab and go, and you can keep it in your car or somewhere in your house in the event that you have to quickly leave your home. For more information, you can check out any of the links shown on your screen. Thank you for taking an interest in personal preparedness.